Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful design, very stunning videos, and this video is all about the crochet skirts design. Crochet skirts designs we have to share with newly designs. Keep more stunning, keep more fabulous designs. I have shared with newly attractive things of skirts designs. Long and short skirts we have to share with you, mini skirts and long skirts, and more fantastic videos, fantastic designs I have shared with you. I have shared with newly designs, keep more fabulous designs, and we have to share newly designs and easily designs. Capture these videos for more creative designs, more elegant videos. I have shared with you. I have shared with newly videos, keep more fabulous, keep more stunning designs, ideas, and easily save these channels for latest screenshots and different ideas. For more elegant videos we have to share newest designs. So this is so amazing videos I have shared with you, and obviously we have to share with you newly attractive things. And keep more fabulous, keep more stunning, keep more gorgeous videos, and we have to share much more attractive things, attractive ideas. And skirts in these channels are demanding videos, demanding articles, and keep more aliens videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the bell of all notification. All subscribers, all new members, we have to share with you. I have shared with newly attractive designs, and keep more fabulous, keep more stunning videos I have shared with you. I have shared with newest designs. So let's go. Inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos, in my channel, in these creative, these stunning videos, just looking so gorgeous designs. So take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful design, very stunning videos, and this video is all about the crochet skirts design.